I got my hot glue gun and my gasket maker and my goop foam gasket and ultra gray. Take and dry it off, get all the dirt around here. If this whole thing comes out, it'll be nice. Wiggle this out. And it came out. Let it dry. It's going to slide it back in there. He's back in there now. I'm going to take some and put some around the bottom of here. Squeeze a little out. Just work it around with my finger there. Let it dry there. I'm going to take and insert him. Get it lined up. Let's go back into the little slot. Okay, make sure I'm not covering up any holes. And just slide them back down in place. Just like that. I'm going to take it and put it right inside of there. Right? Inside of here.
You want some beef fry?
No, not today.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm going to take my pump motor, stick it back in there. Maybe I should take... Take this whole thing and slide the pump in. I don't know no other way. Okay, hopefully your body's nice and sealed. And we're going to see if this is going to stop this leak. And then take it and slide it back down in there. Just in case. I'm going to put it right over. Well, it's going all over the place. take my blade here and rub it straight across. If there's any pin hair cracks, they will be filled in. This unit actually had 3 electrical connectors. I forgot about that one on the side here. So there's one here, here, and here. So 3. And to remount this, there's a screw here, a screw that goes there, and that's a Christmas tree screw, and another screw at the top once you get inside. But to reinstall, you have to push this up from the bottom of the front bumper. Got my 3 electrical connectors back on. 1, 2, and 3 here. I have to do that from this position under the truck. They all reconnected. You can hear them snap as you press down on them back into the socket. Now I'm ready to push it up into position and screw it down. My rear pump is busted. Probably just needs to be replaced. Wear and tear. But as long as your front, well, one of the pumps is working, you can switch these over to the back of the rear. But this pump is fine. It's not leaking. I'm going to put some hot glue around there. And I'm just going to plug this hole where the rear pump went and put a screw in it. Put the rubber washer here and put some hot glue all over the place and insert it in that hole, and that's going to take care of that leaking problem. And maybe later on I can just buy this whole unit since it's just wear and tear happening. So we're going to solve the problem of this leaking washer fluid container. Diversity tool on my Yukon Denali. Take some hot glue. I'm going to put it around the screw here. Well, let's see how I'm going to cover the hole. Get some hot glue going here. Need to hold that. I'm going to put some hot glue on the top and the bottom of this. I'm going to flip it over. Make sure it's covering. And it is hot. Woo. Should let it cool off some. Chip in here. I'm going to cover bottom of the screw so it doesn't leak. And I'm going to take and insert it right in that hole. Oh, it's still hot. I'm going to take my drill, get it down in there, put some more around there.
I told you she was going to take the video.
Yeah, that's my mom again. She's on YouTube.
I told you she was going to copy this.
Hot dog.
That's a nice girl.
She did. I thought they was having a nice time. Gonna let it dry a little more, then we're gonna screw it down in there. Gonna take my glue, let it run around that rubber washer there. Just let it run all the way to the back. Put some down in there. And we should be good to go.